Hi students, so welcome back to my channel. So students, in today's video, I am going to teach you the question answers of your poem 6, The Paper Boat. As you all know, in my previous video, I teach you question answers. I have not teach you question answers of this chapter in my previous video. That's why I'm making this video. In my previous video, I teach you word meanings, make sentences, and understanding of this whole poem. Okay, so let's start. Now students, see what is written here. Read the given extract and answer the following question. This is extract, okay? I remember a day in my childhood when I floated a paper boat on the stream. It was a wet day of July. I was alone and happy over my play. I floated my paper boat on the stream. As students, in my previous video, मैंने आपको ये समझा भी दिया था. So in this video, I will just teach you question answers, okay? Coming to your question answers. Now, first listen me that this extract is your first extract of your poem on your book, okay? Now see your question answer. Name the poem from which the given extract has been taken. The given extract has been taken from the poem The Paper Boat. Who is the poet? A poet of the given extract. The poet of the given extract is Rabindranath Tagore. Next question. Where did the poet float his paper boat? The poet floated his paper boat on the stream. In which month the poet was missing? The poet was missing in the month of July. What is the message of the poem? What is the message of the poem? Okay, I am repeating this question again. Okay, you were confused that ma'am said that these question answers are not taken from our book, but this question is taken from your book. Okay, what is the message of the poem? This is the poem about an older person remembering his childhood games and dealing with present day stress. It teaches us that we should not blame others or fate, but take our courage in our hands to cope up with life ups and downs. Now students, thank you. If you like my video, please like it, share and comment it. Now if you want to take screenshot, please take fastly. Okay, this is your question 5. Please take this, take full page screenshot. Okay, now student, this is your next page. Okay, now I hope you have taken screenshot. Now students, if you have any doubt, please comment me, and then we will meet in next video. Okay, bye bye.